I chose to pursue a job in cosmetology because I wanted a profession that would help me uplift others, help others feel beautiful in their own skin, and make them more beautiful than they came in.
I was inspired to pursue cosmetology because I've always had a passion for making people feel beautiful and confident in their own skin.
From a young age, I had always had a passion for doing hair and playing dress up and watching my mom and everything. And I always loved the thought of being able to make people feel beautiful on the outside as well as on the inside.
Our mission in cosmetology is to equip students with the knowledge they need to be the best professional they can in the industry when they get done.
It's for them to be able to go out and be successful, to be able to go out into a career and enjoy it and be able to give back to their clientele, to whatever they feel every day when they walk in the doors, what their passion is.
So what sets us apart is we focus on our classroom theory. We want our students to know exactly the what, the when, and the how, and the where.
Because we build our curriculum and we take it at a slower pace and build off of the skills that are necessary to be proficient in the industry, I feel like that allows the students to have enough time in the subject area to really be the best version of it.
Not only teaching them technical skills, we also hone in on teaching them being able to be employable and professional.
The difference between our program and somebody else's program is the discipline. Other programs let you work on your own and kind of come and go as you please. But in our program, it's you come 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday, 8 to 4:30. You just don't get paid, but in the long run, you will when you get your license.
We basically want them to be employable and to be professional. So they have to come on time, show up to school, not miss, have a good attitude, work on different clients,
It's a disciplined program, but it's a very successful program.
We do certain things to let them know, hey, you're here to get a skill, but we're going to give you some life lessons along the way so that when you get out there, not saying that you didn't already have them, but we're going to enhance them because we can always enhance on our skills.
The skill that I have most improved on since starting cosmetology school here at FGC is my people skills. You meet a bunch of new people in your class, even in the senior class and the junior classes, facial specialty. There's a lot of new people that you can communicate with.
The skills that I have improved personally are definitely my confrontation skills because that's something that's really important in this industry, and also my confidence in myself.
The skills I feel like I've personally been able to grow on is definitely my focus and my patience.
I think one of the skills that is required that you have to learn is patience, and then also mending the two together of precision and expediency, so where you're going as fast as you can and as precise as you can.
Our students have the opportunity to work with real life clients. They'll build their clientele and they can come in our full working salon and they get to get their color or hair cut.
The students are able to schedule appointments of people that they know, and they're also able to take walk-ins from the public.
So even throughout the day, they're able to work on their clients and have real clients that come in the door.
So they get to work on real clients with hair, as well as with facials, as well as with nails.
I think one of the great things about Florida Gateway is that, one, we have an in-house salon, we have an in-house spa, and we also have the ability to have walk-ins come in, or if, you can start building your clientele from day one when you hit the floor.
Once they get out of the theory part of the curriculum, they're now into the clinical or hands-on part of it, and we always use live clients. So we try to give it to them both ways, especially if we always allow them to bring their own person in. They're not really getting that person that may be a little bit difficult to deal with.
The hands-on experience with the walk-ins has helped all of us with our people skills, communication skills, what we think would look best on the client. It really gives us another step up.
As far as the hands-on experience, I don't know of a better way to begin learning to do hair.